ModuleNotFoundError. What does it mean _main _ is not a package? I am trying to run a module from the console. The structure of my directory is this. I am trying to run the module p_o3_ using _bisection_search.py from the problem_set_o2 directory using the code inside p_o3_ using _bisection_search.pyes. I am importing a function that is in p_o2_ paying $det_off_ in an _a_year.py, which code is I am getting the following error. I have no idea how to solve this issue. I have tried adding a _init_.py file, but it is still not working.
Simply remove the dot for the relative import and do.
I have the same issue as you did. I think the problem is that you used relative import in package import. There is no _init_.py in your directory. So just import as Moses answered above. The core issue I think is when you import with a dot. It is equivalent to where _main_ refers to your current module p_o3_ using _bisection_search.py. Briefly, the interpreter does not know your directory architecture. When the interpreter get in p_o3.py, the script equals and p_o3_ using _bisection_search does not contain any modules or instances called p_o2_ paying $det_off_ in _a_year. So I came up with a cleaner solution without changing Python environment variables after looking up how requests do in relative import. The main architecture of the directory is then write in _init_.py. Here _main_ is _init_. It exactly refers to the module problem _set_o2. Then go to main.py. Import problem _set_o2. You can also write a setup.py to add specific module to the environment.
Try to run it as Python 3mp_03_ using underscore by section underscore search.
Just use the name of the main folder which the py file is in.